Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Odette, and today I have enlisted Mr. B help because I want to do a milking bench. The farmers used to use it about 50 years ago when they used to milk the animals. You do find them on antique shops, but they are quite pricey, and you know me. I have found an alternative to get one for my new utility room. So let me show you what I have. This is all leftovers I found in my she shed and in the cabin, and see if we can work with it. So I want this to be the seat, and as you can see, it's just a dirty old piece of wood. It's quite patched up, but I told Mr. B that's what I want anyway. So this is going to be the seat, if you know what I mean. This is a big plank of wood Mr. B has. I think he actually structural wood. So now I want them to cut. It's going to be the legs, and then we're going to do a V. And I found these bits. I want something to go in the middle of the seat to create strength. So I have this broom handle in there. These things, if you don't understand what this is, this was left by the previous owner. I think it's like when you dig the ground to plant bulbs, but as you can see, they're quite big. So
it's a shovel handle.
Mr. B is saying that is a shovel handle that the previous owner made into bulb diggers. And I have another one here. We have quite a few around. So I have a small one that I use all the time. This one's not so much, but as you can see, this one has been on the ground. So Mr. B says this is a much better thickness to go with the seat. So we're probably going to cut the amount we need and see if we can work with this. So what we are trying to determine here is I want a V to create the feet either side, like they used to do the old-fashioned way. So I think we're going to stay between these two, so that way you have a good feet to give stability to the leg of the bench. So we're going to cut like so, and then repeat on the next one. How cool is this? Right, I got Mr. B to help me because I struggle with my hands, especially in the cold. We are supposed to be in double figures.
You need to wear gloves, it'll keep your hands warm.
So it's bitterly cold today outside, although we are in the end of March, but this is Lancashire. So beautiful. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to sand it, take it to my she shed to sand it down with the electric sander, and probably I will move into the utility room to stain it because it's just too bloody cold out here. So the bench is finished and I'm so happy with the outcome of it. Looks really nice, and this is the beauty of making your own, because it has exactly the right size that I wanted for the utility room. It's very sturdy, and yes, cost us absolutely nothing. We had everything already in the cabin and the stain in my she shed, and it just looks beautiful. Really, really pleased. As you can see, it's very sturdy. So another little project. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and give the thumbs up if you like the video. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below and I will do my best to help you. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.